So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your location here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, it's very simple. Just go to the bottom left, press on buy, or you can press sell as well. But go to the buy page right here. In the top left where it says Las Vegas, simply go ahead and press on that. Now you can go ahead and use your current location if you want. You can also go ahead and select a city. So for example, if you were going to Boston, you can go ahead and press on Boston. Then you can go ahead and select your events, so the teams nearby, etc. There's also music, etc. in regards to concerts. So if you wanted to go to Tate McRae, for example, you can go ahead and press on that. And then all of a sudden you're in the location. If you want to go ahead and switch it back, if you were going to Atlanta, you can press Atlanta, and it's super easy. You can change the location that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can change your location here on the Game Time app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.